Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to improve your website's ranking and visibility, then you've come to the right place. Today, we are talking about directory submission sites, a powerful off-page SEO strategy. So, let's dive in. So, what exactly are directory submission sites? Well, they are online directories where you can submit your website to get listed in relevant categories. Think of them as digital phone books that help users discover businesses and services easily. Directory submissions are still valuable for SEO, as they boost website traffic, improve search engine ranking, help search engines index your site faster, increase domain authority, generate business leads. Now, there are different types of directory submission sites. Let's break them down. Free directories, no cost, but slower approvals. Paid directories, faster approvals with a listing fee. Niche directories, industry-specific directories like healthcare or real estate. Local directories focus on businesses in a specific location. Reciprocal directories require you to link back to them. Here's how you can submit your website to a directory. Choose a relevant directory based on your niche. Create an account and verify your email. Fill in your website details, URL, title, description, keywords, and category. Upload extra information like social media links or images, if allowed. Submit for review and wait for approval. Track your submission and update details if needed. Now, before you start submitting everywhere, avoid these common mistakes. Submitting to low-quality directories, this can hurt your SEO. Using the same anchor text repeatedly, it looks unnatural to search engines. Ignoring niche-specific directories, relevancy matters. Providing inaccurate details could lead to rejection. Not monitoring submissions, you won't know what's working. Top directory submission sites. Best of the Web, BOTW, High Trust Directory. Jasmine Directory, niche-specific directory. Hotfrog Business Directory with SEO benefits. Spoke.com Professional Networking Directory. Aboutus.org Wiki-style directory. So much free and paid options available. These are some of the best directory submission sites you should check out. So, is directory submission still worth it? The answer is yes, but only if done correctly. Focus on quality over quantity, choose relevant directories, and keep your submissions consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SEO tips. See you in the next one.